Strategic significance of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group, enhancing China's naval capabilities by 40%. Introduction. China's naval capabilities have seen a remarkable transformation in recent years, marked by the introduction of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group. This new addition not only enhances the People's Liberation Army Navy's planned operational capabilities but also represents a significant shift in the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. By increasing China's naval strength by an estimated 40%, the Fujian carrier signifies a strategic milestone in China's quest for maritime dominance. Historical context. China's interest in aircraft carriers dates back to the 1990s, driven by a desire to modernize its military and enhance its maritime power. The acquisition of the Soviet-made Varyag in 1998 was a pivotal moment, leading to its commissioning as the Liaoning in 2012. This marked the beginning of China's modern aircraft carrier program. The launch of the Shandong in 2017, China's first domestically built carrier, showcased advancements in design and operational capabilities. The most recent addition, the Fujian, launched in 2022, represents the culmination of years of development and technological innovation. Key features of the Fujian aircraft carrier. The Fujian aircraft carrier is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that enhances its operational capabilities. Key features include: 1. Advanced radar systems. The Fujian is outfitted with sophisticated radar systems, including the Type 348 and Type 366, which provide enhanced surveillance and targeting capabilities. 2. Electronic warfare systems. These systems enable the carrier to engage in electronic countermeasures, thereby improving its survivability in hostile environments. 3. Ski jump ramps. The carrier employs a ski jump design for launching aircraft, allowing for increased operational flexibility and the capability to launch a diverse range of aircraft, including fighter jets, helicopters, and drones. 4. Diverse air wing. The air wing of the Fujian includes advanced fighter jets such as the J-15 and J-31, which are capable of engaging in air-to-air combat, ground attack, and anti-submarine warfare. Strategic implications. The enhancement of China's naval capabilities through the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group has far-reaching implications for regional and global security. 1. Regional power shift. The expansion of the plan's aircraft carrier capabilities represents a challenge to the established maritime order in the Asia-Pacific region. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan perceive the increased presence of Chinese carriers as a direct threat to their security. 2. Challenge to U.S. dominance. The growth of China's naval power poses a significant challenge to U.S. naval supremacy in the region. As the U.S. seeks to maintain its influence in the Asia-Pacific, the emergence of the Fujian carrier group complicates its strategic calculations. 3. Military modernization in response. In light of China's advancements, neighboring countries are likely to accelerate their military modernization efforts. This could lead to an arms race in the region, with countries increasing defense budgets and acquiring advanced military technologies to counterbalance China's growing capabilities. 4. Global power projection. The Fujian carrier enhances China's ability to project power beyond its immediate waters, allowing for greater influence in global maritime affairs. This capability extends China's reach into strategic maritime choke points, enhancing its geopolitical leverage. Common key points across sources. Various analyses of China's aircraft carrier program highlight several key themes. The rapid development of China's aircraft carriers is a crucial component of its broader military modernization strategy. The implications for regional and global security are profound, with concerns raised by neighboring nations and the United States. Advanced technology and increased capabilities of China's carriers are designed to enable global operational reach and power projection. Differences in perspectives. While many sources emphasize the technological advancements of the Fujian and the necessity of power projection, some analyses focus more on the geopolitical ramifications, particularly the potential for increased tensions and military buildups in the region. This divergence reflects different viewpoints on how China's growing naval capabilities will reshape international relations. Conclusion: the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group represents a significant leap in China's naval capabilities, enhancing its strength by approximately 40%. This development not only underscores China's commitment to maritime modernization but also serves as a catalyst for shifting power dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region. As China continues to expand its naval reach, the implications for regional security and global maritime order will become increasingly pronounced. The trajectory of China's aircraft carrier program will undoubtedly play a critical role in shaping the future of international relations and maritime security. The content surrounding the strategic significance of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group reveals several counterintuitive elements regarding China's naval capabilities and their implications for global geopolitics. 1. Perception versus reality of threat. While many surrounding nations perceive China's expanding naval capabilities, particularly its aircraft carriers, as an immediate threat, the reality may be more nuanced. The tangible military power projection capabilities of these carriers could be hampered by logistical challenges and operational limitations. For instance, despite their advanced technology, the effectiveness of the Fujian and its battle group in a real conflict scenario is still untested, raising questions about their actual operational readiness and sustainability. 2. Military modernization versus diplomacy. The rapid military modernization in China, highlighted by the development of advanced aircraft carriers, could paradoxically push neighboring countries towards more diplomatic solutions. Rather than solely fueling an arms race, such developments may lead to increased dialogue and diplomatic engagements as countries like Japan and South Korea seek to avoid direct confrontation, thus promoting regional stability rather than instability. 3. U.S. naval dominance. The narrative that China's rise in naval power directly undermines U.S. dominance is countered by the fact that U.S. naval capabilities are still significantly more advanced and extensive in terms of global reach. While China's carriers enhance its regional capabilities, the U.S. maintains a broader and more seasoned fleet, including nuclear-powered aircraft carriers that can project power worldwide. This suggests that while China's naval capabilities are growing, the U.S. is not on the brink of losing its strategic maritime superiority, complicating the perception of an imminent power shift. For technological superiority versus quantity, there is a prevalent assumption that quality and technological sophistication alone determine naval superiority. However, the effectiveness of an aircraft carrier is not solely reliant on its technological capabilities. Factors such as crew training, maintenance, and operational integration play crucial roles. Thus, even with advanced features, the Fujian may not achieve its intended strategic goals if these underlying factors are not adequately addressed. 5. Regional arms race dynamics. The expectation that China's naval enhancements will automatically trigger an arms race overlooks the possibility that some nations may opt for alternative strategies, such as forming alliances or enhancing their diplomatic ties with the U.S. and other powers rather than purely increasing military spending. This could lead to a shift in security dynamics that favors collective security arrangements over individual military buildups. 6. Global perception of China's intentions. The assumption that China's military advancements are indicative of aggressive intentions contradicts the potential for these advancements to be perceived as defensive. China may be viewed as attempting to safeguard its maritime interests and territorial claims rather than seeking to expand aggressively, which could lead to more cautious responses from regional actors rather than outright hostility. 7. Impact on global trade. The notion that enhanced Chinese naval capabilities will disrupt global trade routes may be overly simplistic. In fact, a stronger Chinese navy could lead to increased security in trade routes in the Asia-Pacific, as China may have a vested interest in ensuring the safety of maritime trade for its economy. This could result in a paradox where China, despite its military might, becomes a stabilizing force in regional maritime security. 8. Long-term strategic goals. China's immediate naval enhancements may be interpreted as a show of strength, but the long-term strategic goals may include securing trade routes and protecting its maritime interests rather than engaging in direct confrontations with established powers. This broader strategic outlook could lead to more cooperative regional frameworks, contrary to the prevailing view of inevitable conflict. These counterintuitive points illustrate the complexity of the geopolitical landscape shaped by China's naval advancements, suggesting that the implications of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group's introduction may extend beyond simple military enhancement narratives. The interplay between military capabilities, diplomatic strategies, and regional dynamics is far more intricate than a straightforward assessment of power shifts. The report on the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group and its implications for China's naval capabilities is filled with significant insights that many readers might overlook. Here are some crucial points worth highlighting along with their significance. 1. Technological advancements and their strategic implications. While the report emphasizes the advanced technology integrated into the Fujian carrier, such as radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities, the significance of these advancements extends beyond mere military enhancement. These technologies represent a shift in the operational capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. For instance, the advanced radar systems not only improve detection and engagement capabilities but also allow for better situational awareness and coordination in multi-domain operations. This ability to integrate and process information from various sources enhances China's deterrence posture and operational effectiveness in potential conflicts. 2. Impact on regional military dynamics. The report outlines that the enhanced capabilities of the Fujian and the overall aircraft carrier program may provoke military modernization in neighboring countries. However, the significance of this arms race could lead to a more militarized Asia-Pacific region, potentially destabilizing existing alliances and security frameworks. Countries like Japan and South Korea, while traditionally aligned with the United States, may feel compelled to reconsider their defense strategies and military investments in response to China's growing naval power, leading to a complex web of regional security dilemmas. 3. China's global maritime strategy. A point often overlooked is the broader strategic vision behind the aircraft carrier program. The development of the Fujian is not merely about regional dominance, it is part of China's ambition to project power globally. The ability to deploy aircraft carriers allows China to secure maritime trade routes, engage in humanitarian missions, and assert influence in international waters. This capability aligns with China's Belt and Road Initiative, where maritime security is crucial for protecting its investments and trade interests abroad. The significance lies in how this global posture may lead to increased tensions with other naval powers, notably the United States, as both nations vie for influence over maritime choke points and trade routes. 4. Psychological warfare and deterrence. The psychological aspect of possessing an advanced aircraft carrier fleet is another critical point. The mere presence of the Fujian in regional waters serves as a deterrent against potential adversaries, signaling China's resolve and capability to defend its interests. This psychological impact can influence not only military decision-making but also diplomatic negotiations, as countries might be more cautious in their dealings with China, knowing the potential for military escalation. The significance of this deterrent effect can alter the calculus of regional disputes, particularly in areas like the South China Sea. 5. Support for domestic industries and technological innovation. The development of the Fujian carrier is also a testament to China's efforts to bolster its domestic military-industrial complex. The technologies developed for aircraft carriers have downstream benefits for other sectors, including civilian industries. This dual-use nature of military technology could lead to innovations that enhance China's overall economic competitiveness. The significance here is not just military, it reflects a broader strategy of self-reliance in technology and manufacturing, which is crucial for national security. 6. Alliances and international responses. The report notes potential reactions from the United States and its allies, but it is essential to underscore the significance of how these nations might reevaluate their alliances. The growing military capabilities of the plan could lead to a reconfiguration of alliances in the Asia-Pacific, with countries seeking to either strengthen ties with the US or pursue independent paths in defense. For instance, nations like India, which share concerns about China's expansionism, may explore deeper security cooperation with the US and Japan, significantly altering the geopolitical landscape. 7. Environmental considerations. Lastly, the environmental impact of naval expansion is often overlooked in discussions about military capabilities. The construction and operation of aircraft carriers involves significant resource consumption and potential ecological damage. As China increases its naval footprint, the implications for marine environments and regional ecological balances could become a significant area of contention. The significance of these environmental concerns may lead to new forms of international diplomacy and pressure for sustainable military practices. Conclusion. The Fujian aircraft carrier battle group signifies more than just an enhancement of China's naval capabilities. It represents a multifaceted shift in regional and global security dynamics. The technological, psychological, economic, and environmental implications of this development are profound and warrant close attention from policymakers and analysts alike. Understanding these dimensions is crucial for anticipating future conflicts, realignments in international relations, and the evolving nature of maritime security in the Asia-Pacific and beyond. 1. Regional power shift. The introduction of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group significantly alters the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. As China's naval capabilities expand, neighboring countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan perceive these developments as direct threats, prompting them to reconsider their own defense strategies. This shift could lead to increased military tensions and a re-evaluation of alliances and defense postures among regional players. 2. Challenge to U.S. dominance. The enhancement of China's naval capabilities through the Fujian carrier is a direct challenge to U.S. naval supremacy in the Asia-Pacific. The U.S. has historically maintained a dominant presence in the region, but China's advancements raise concerns about its ability to project power and influence. This dynamic could lead to a recalibration of U.S. military strategy and increased efforts to maintain its strategic foothold in response to China's growing influence. 3. Military modernization. In response, the advent of the Fujian and the growth of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan is likely to trigger a regional arms race. Countries in the Asia-Pacific feeling threatened by China's expanding military capabilities may accelerate their military spending and modernization efforts. This could lead to a cycle of military buildup, further destabilizing the region and increasing the likelihood of conflicts. 4. Global operational reach and power projection. The advanced technology integrated into the Fujian carrier, including sophisticated radar, electronic warfare systems, and an enhanced air wing, allows China to extend its operational reach significantly. This capability not only bolsters China's ability to project power regionally but also enhances its global military footprint, thereby reshaping international maritime security dynamics and potentially altering global geopolitical relationships. 1. The Battle of Midway 1942. This pivotal naval battle during World War II exemplifies the strategic significance of aircraft carriers in modern warfare. The United States Navy, leveraging its carrier-based aircraft, decisively defeated the Imperial Japanese Navy, marking a turning point in the Pacific theater. The loss of 4 Japanese carriers significantly weakened Japan's naval capabilities and shifted the balance of power in favor of the Allies. This battle illustrates how advancements in carrier technology and strategy can drastically alter military outcomes and regional power dynamics. 2. The Falklands War 1982. The conflict between Argentina and the United Kingdom over the Falkland Islands highlighted the importance of naval power and aircraft carriers in contemporary warfare. The British task force led by the aircraft carrier HMS Invincible demonstrated the effectiveness of carrier-based operations in a distant conflict. The successful deployment of Harrier jets from British carriers played a critical role in achieving air superiority and ultimately led to the recapture of the islands. This case underscores how aircraft carriers can enhance a nation's military reach and influence, particularly in strategic engagements. 3. The Gulf War 1990 to 1991. The United States' extensive use of aircraft carriers during the Gulf War showcased their strategic importance in projecting military power and conducting operations over vast distances. The U.S. Navy deployed multiple carrier battle groups to the Persian Gulf, enabling the launch of airstrikes against Iraqi forces and providing critical support for ground operations. The ability to operate from carriers allowed for rapid and flexible responses to threats, demonstrating how naval capabilities can significantly impact the outcome of modern conflicts and shape geopolitical landscapes. Future outlook: strategic significance of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group. As we look towards the future, the strategic implications of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group for China and the global geopolitical landscape are profound. By enhancing its naval capabilities by an estimated 40%, China is positioning itself to exert greater influence in the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. Here are predictions and insights into how this development may unfold. 1. Increased naval operations and power projection. The Fujian aircraft carrier battle group will likely enable the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to conduct more frequent and extensive naval operations. With advanced technologies and a capable air wing, the group can project power far beyond China's coastline, facilitating operations in contested areas such as the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. As a result, we can expect to see expanded patrols and exercises. The plan may increase the frequency of military exercises in regions critical to its national interests, showcasing its capabilities and readiness. Joint operations: China might engage in joint naval exercises with allied nations, solidifying partnerships and enhancing operational interoperability. 2. Regional arms race and military modernization. The enhancement of China's naval capabilities is likely to trigger a regional arms race, compelling neighboring countries to bolster their military forces. This trend could manifest in several ways. Increased defense budgets: countries such as Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan may allocate more resources to enhance their naval capabilities, including the acquisition of advanced submarines, destroyers, and missile systems. Development of new technologies: regional powers may invest in research and development to create advanced military technologies, including unmanned systems and missile defense systems, to counterbalance China's growing naval presence. 3. Geopolitical tensions and strategic alliances. As China's naval capabilities expand, geopolitical tensions are likely to rise, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. The strategic significance of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group could lead to heightened tensions with the U.S. The U.S. may respond by enhancing its naval presence in the region, conducting freedom of navigation operations and reinforcing alliances with regional partners to counter China's influence. Formation of new alliances: nations feeling threatened by China's maritime ambitions may seek closer military cooperation. This could result in formal defense agreements or informal coalitions aimed at ensuring collective security. 4. Impact on global maritime security. The emergence of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group is poised to reshape global maritime security dynamics. The implications may include increased maritime disputes: as China asserts its naval power, disputes over territorial waters and resource-rich regions may escalate, leading to confrontations with neighboring countries and impacting international shipping routes. International naval presence: in response to China's assertiveness, we may see an increase in the presence of international naval forces in the Asia-Pacific, with multinational operations aimed at ensuring the freedom of navigation and maintaining regional stability. 5. Technological advancements and cyber warfare. The sophistication of the Fujian and its battle group is expected to drive advancements in military technologies, including Cyber capabilities. As naval operations become increasingly interconnected, cyber warfare will be a key focus. China may enhance its cyber capabilities to protect its naval assets and disrupt adversaries' operations. Integration of AI and automation. Future developments may involve the integration of artificial intelligence and unmanned systems in naval operations, enhancing decision-making capabilities and operational efficiency. 6. Long-term strategic goals. In the long run, the development of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group aligns with China's broader strategic objectives. Maritime Silk Road Initiative. The enhanced naval capabilities will support China's ambitions under the Belt and Road Initiative, ensuring the security of maritime trade routes and protecting overseas investments. Global leadership role. As China continues to expand its naval prowess, it may seek to position itself as a leading global maritime power, influencing international norms in maritime governance. Conclusion. The strategic significance of the Fujian aircraft carrier battle group extends beyond mere military enhancement. It is a catalyst for broader geopolitical shifts. As China's naval capabilities evolve, they will shape the future of maritime security and international relations in the Asia-Pacific region and globally. The next decade will be critical in determining how these dynamics play out. With potential for both cooperation and conflict in a rapidly changing security environment, the world must navigate these complexities carefully, balancing the need for national security with the imperative of regional stability and cooperation.